you scared of going?
No,
Do you worry for your life?
no.
You do know there is a threat to your life. There have been public pronouncements from Taliban leaders talking about sending suicide bombers to the airport when you return to Karachi.
You see, ever since my overthrow in 1996, the people behind these militants have presided over a structure that has fueled anarchy and chaos and allowed the rise of extremism. These people are very worried and they're frightened at my return. So they're trying to threaten me. And I understand that the forces within who have presided over this rise will do anything, even conspire to murder me. But I believe that life and death are in God's hands. And I believe that nobody can be killed until their time is up. And therefore I go back with my faith in God, putting my faith in the people of my country.
سارے جگ وچ پئی